afternoon once again. For the flight deck, First Officer Ivan speaking. For some in-flight update, currently we're cruising at an altitude of 21,000 feet and we are approximately 80 miles north of Caticlan Airport. In a few minutes, we'll be starting our initial descent towards Godofredo Ramos Airport, and our estimated time of arrival will be at 3:02 this afternoon. For convenience, time check, it's now 2:41. Weather for Caticlan, temperature warm at 32 degrees Celsius, few clouds at 3,700 feet, and visibility of more than 10 kilometers with strong winds coming in from the west. For the meantime, to sit back and relax and enjoy the rest of the flight. And once again, on behalf of our pilot in command, Captain Howell Lee, and the rest of the crew headed by Jel, Lark, Kiko, and Louie, thank you very much for flying Cebu Pacific, and we hope to see you again on one of your future flights.
We'll be collecting all items for this phone call. Kindly clear your seat box and translator and have them ready for collection.
Kaso hihimatay na dito. Okay ka lang na? Hindi ka natakot? Sunflower seed. Gusto ba? Ito pa rin. Bigyan mo na kay Jay. Hindi abot na.
and gentlemen, we would like to invite you to lend a helping hand from the comfort of your seat as we now pass the UNICEF Change for Good donation bag. Your every contribution will go to UNICEF's programs, education, health, and nutrition support and emergencies.
Toy. Toy. Yung balat na sunflower na yun.
What's that?
Nagaraya. Try it.
Laglag ba?
Labish, ayun naman. Bish, ilang minutes na lang kanina nung 41 kanina. 21 minutes.
Dapat mga 5, ano naman natin. Ay, 5, 3.
Iba. Kuya, ha? Naubos na yung sunflower eh. Sakay galing sa mga ito.
Thank you very much, Flight 5J901, for opening your hearts to help the most vulnerable children and families. To know more about UNICEF, please visit unicef.ph. Thank you.
Gay ba? Gusto ko yung flavor niya. Ayaw ba? May sige sa Pia ah. Meat.
Besh, di ba yung pinatry mong gantuan? Plates na.
Bakit di ba rin? Rin to? No, no.
I need to
Eh, may pa.
pee.
May daw siya, Besh.
Wala. Besh, ito nasa table natin.
Sabi
Wait
niya,
lang, ubusin lang nasa table, Besh.
I need to
Har du riktigt skrivit att du har kört på sådana köttspåsar? Sådana små motorcyklar med hoppar vid sidan.
Maybe you need to finish your
I need to pee.
Wait lang. Gabi. Wait lang, baby. Masamahan mo daw si Gabe.